Good morning, children. Today we will study about the classification of forces. Forces are of different types. Like first, contact force. It it needs at least two things to be in contact. And non-contact force means force that is not in contact but still force is applied. Now contact force, here you can see, if you have to apply force on wall with the help of a spring, you will have to pull the spring to create force, or you want to stretch the spring, then also you need to apply muscular force on the spring. Now here also, it is also an example of contact force. The trolley is being carried by the help of a string, the person is pulling. So it is also an example of contact force, and contact force are of two types, that is muscular force that the person is applying and the frictional force that is applied on the wheels due to by the ground, by the surface on which the trolley is moving. Now we come to muscular force. When you lift a bucket with your hand, कोई भी भारी सामान अगर अपने हाथ से आप उठा रहे हैं या फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं, और यू आर राइडिंग अ बाइसिकल, you have to pull something or push something. At that time you need muscular force. Muscular force is needed to move the object or to stop the object. The force resulting due to the action of muscles is known as the muscular force. Here also all these actions are being occurred by the help of muscles. Here elephant can lift the log of wood because of its muscular force. Now second type of force is the frictional force or friction. As you all know, friction is applied by the ground, which slow down the moving speed of a moving object after some time. It acts in the opposite direction of the moving object, and that's why finally the moving object stops. Thus we can say that the force acting along the two surfaces in contact, which opposes the motion of one body over the other, is called the force of friction. है ना? Like you can see this is glass surface. It is very smooth, so force of friction on this will be very less. है ना? If you simply push, it will go forward. But if you take this copy, है ना, its larger surface is in contact with the surface of the table, and you push it, it will move little because larger surface area is on the table. So force of friction, though it is very small, then also it is large, and it is stopping the copy to move as much as the first object moved on the surface. If the surface is smooth, friction is less, and if the surface is rough, then friction is more. Now next we come to non-contact forces. Non-contact नाम से ही क्लियर है, जो कांटेक्ट में ना हो लेकिन फिर भी फोर्स अप्लाई हो रहा हो. तो नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्सेस आर ऑफ मैनी टाइप्स. सो नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्सेस आर फोर्सेस विच कैन एक्ट इवन व्हेन objects are not in physical contact with each other and bring about changes. So these are non-contact force. Non-contact force are magnetic force. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि मैग्नेट को हम थोड़ी दूर पे ही रखें और मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल अगर इसके सामने लेके आए तो इट गेट स्टिक टूवर्ड्स द मैग्नेट. तो इतनी दूर के बीच में तो मैग्नेट था नहीं, तो इतनी दूर के बीच में तो मैग्नेट था नहीं, तो फिर वो मैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंस मैग्नेट से कैसे स्टिक हो गया? It is because of non-contact magnetic force of the magnet. second is electrostatic force. Electrostatic force is when you rub a comb on your dry hair for several times and then bring the comb, the rubbed surface of the comb, near the bits of small papers. So comb sticks the paper. So it develops the electrostatic force due to rubbing comb on hair. So this type of force is called electrostatic force. So the force exerted by a charged body on another charged body or uncharged body is known as electrostatic force. यानी कि फोर्स जो कि चार्ज बॉडी को या अनचार्ज बॉडी को किसी भी चार्ज बॉडी से रब करने की वजह से क्रिएट होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स. आपने देखा होगा कभी कभी गर्मी के दिनों में अगर शॉल या साड़ी इस तरह की चीज़ें, सिंथेटिक चीज़ों को अगर आप फोल्ड कर रहे हो तो उसमें से भी कुछ चट चट सी आवाज़ आती है. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी कम टू द थर्ड वन, नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स, दैट इज़ ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. ऑल ऑफ यू नो दैट एनीथिंग you throw upward, it comes down. It never going upwards and reach to space. Everything falls on the ground. So why does this happens? Because of gravitational force. Earth exerts gravitational pull on the object, and that is why every object on the earth is in contact with every object on the earth is pulled by gravitational force. It is also a non-contact force. So the force with which two objects attract each other is called force of gravitation. So the force of gravitation acts even when the two objects are not connected by any means. Gravitational force exists everywhere in the universe. So anything you throw upwards, it falls towards the ground, and falling of everything towards the ground is due to gravitational pull of the earth. This force is due to the attraction between the earth and the object, and it is called the force of gravity. This force exerted by the earth on any falling object is called the force of gravity or just gravity. यानी कोई भी सामान जिसे हम ऊपर उछालना चाहें वो सब कुछ नीचे ही गिरता है ना. ऐसा क्यों? हम भी अगर छत से कूदें तो नीचे ही गिरेंगे, स्पेस में उड़ना शुरू नहीं करेंगे. Why is it so? It is only because of gravitational pull of the earth. Okay children, today only this much. We'll continue in the next.